Hi, and welcome to Section 1, Enter the World of Node.Js. In this section, we will cover getting started with Node, installation and configuration, picking a code editor, a discussion on NPM, and your first Hello World app. Installing Node.js and VS Code. In this video, we'll look into where to get Node.js from, what version you probably want to use, how to install it, and how to install and set up VS Code to edit your Node applications. Let's start now with where to get Node. You can download Node.js from their website, that's nodejs.org. When you visit, you'll be presented with two options, either the long-term support release or their current release. Now, what you'll probably want is the long-term support release. This means that Node is supported for a longer time, and you can have some guarantees about the state of the API and the modules that are contained within Node. If you like your code to be a little bit more bleeding edge, then the current release may suit you better. Simply click on the version that you'd like, and the download will start. Once it's downloaded, we can look at getting Visual Studio Code. You can download Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com. There's only one version to worry about, so go ahead and click the button and save it locally. Once your applications are downloaded, then you're going to want to open Node. Step through the installer and accept all the defaults. After Node is installed, we can install Visual Studio. Step through this installer. Make a desktop icon if you'd want to, and you should probably add these actions to the context menus, and also register code as an editor for the right file types. Once code is done installing, we can go ahead and launch it. VS Code should look something like this once you've launched. In this video, we've covered where to get Node.js, which version you'd like, where to get Visual Studio Code, and how to install both of these. In our next video, we're going to talk about how to install and use NPM, that's the Node Package Manager.